Guys, back on this 99 Suburban. Well, I'm going to go ahead and drop the transmission today, hopefully. I've already got a few things loose under here yesterday just to kind of help speed up the process some. But I'm going to take y'all up underneath this truck real quick and show y'all what y'all need to do. Alright, so as y'all can see, I've got the drive shaft disconnected. You will not have to remove the U-joints from this end, but you will need to take the 11mm bolts out of this end, and you'll have to stick something between the yoke and the end of the end of the yoke and the U-joint, and press back this away so you can actually get it moved out. Once you get that moved out, then you can slide the drive shaft back toward the vehicle and set it off to the side like I've got there. Alright, so now the next thing you want to do, what I'm getting ready to do here in just a second, and it's be a good thing to go ahead and do this while you're under here and everything, is go ahead and call the auto parts store and get you a set of new gaskets for this here, and the two flange gaskets. They're flat flange gaskets for the exhaust over here on this side and over there on that side. So let's go ahead and scoot back up underneath here. So you'll need those type of gaskets there, the kind of like the the triangular type shape gaskets, and then the gasket that goes over there. And once you remove that and the flange gasket that's back here on the muffler, you can go ahead and remove the whole exhaust. But don't forget to unplug your O2 sensors, and if you haven't already, you can go ahead and pull your O2 sensors, check them, make sure they're good. If not, go ahead and replace them. Now on this truck, I'm going to go ahead and replace them, because apparently these here are the original ones and they've never been replaced on this truck. So, and sometimes that can, if you're getting a kind of a rough idle or whatever issue, more than likely it may be just the O2 sensors if it ain't something else. But this truck, it idles fairly decent. But I'm going to go ahead and replace these O2 sensors, and also that also will help give a little bit better gas mileage, if anything. But anyway, enough of that. So once you disconnect the exhaust and all this other good stuff, then you need to go ahead and put a jack and a piece of board underneath the transmission pan here, and which you'll still have the bolt and everything out. But or go ahead and take the bolt out here if you ain't already, and put a board and jack and stuff and raise this transmission up a little bit, and go ahead and take out the 4 bolts over here. I didn't mean to turn the thing over for you, but you got 2 nuts up top, same way with on this side. And get your harness and stuff moved out of the way, get those taken out, and then your cross member can be dropped. So, but I'll show you through the process here in a second. All right, I'll be right back.